Door closer, standard installation, method 3. Mount the door closer on the door. Mount the parallel pad on the door frame. Both parts need to be mounted on the push side of the door. Step 1. According to the opening angle, select the installation dimension. Drill the pilot holes on the door and door frame according to the installation dimension. Separate the rocker arm and screw stem. Attention! Select the proper opening angle. Select the right installation dimension and opening side. Step 2. Fix the main body and parallel board. Attention! The regulating valve need to face away from the door chain. Step 3. Using composite screws, connect the rocker arm and main body. Attention! The screws must be tightened up. Step 4. Adjusting the length of screw stem. Connect the rocker arm with the screw stem. Attention! Screw stem must be parallel to the door.